This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the physical connection. Plug a good data-capable USB cable into your phone and into the computer, then unlock the phone. Once done, swipe down for notifications and tap the USB mode. Choose file transfer or USB for data, not just charging. You do this because the OS needs an active data session to expose tethering options. Make sure the PC recognizes the device. If not, install the phone's drivers or accept any prompts that appear on screen. You now navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot. This groups all sharing options. Once you see USB tethering, flip that switch while the cable is connected. This tells your phone to share its mobile data over USB. You do this because the phone becomes a gateway routing traffic through its cellular connection. On the PC, wait for the new network adapter to appear and obtain an IP address automatically. You finish by verifying internet access on the computer. Open a browser or ping a site to confirm. If it fails, disconnect and revoke USB access on the phone, then reconnect and accept prompts. This resets the handshake. If problems persist, restart the phone and PC, try another USB port or a different cable, and check that the carrier permits tethering on your plan. One key tip: install or update the phone's drivers on the computer. Missing drivers are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.